Hi, I'm Jeremy Pollack. I'm a social organizational psychologist with a specialty in peace and conflict psychology. Now, in terms of mindset in general, I want to go over 4 main principles of a mediator's mindset. Number 1 is remaining optimistic. If you go into a mediation, you're feeling like, hey, I am pretty optimistic. I think we can get to a good space here. That's going to really set the tone. This is not a good setting for mediation. Mediations need to be very, very confidential. So whatever is said in a mediation or the things leading up to it needs to stay there. What did that person mean, or what does that person mean? What does it really mean? How to accurately interpret these behaviors. Pause the video, read through this, and see if you can fill out your alignment worksheet with this scenario. Like I said, there's lots of ways to do it, and hopefully the solutions are maybe very obvious and they're a little bit easier to get to. Towards the end of this training, we're going to look at a role play where I try to come up with some solutions with the parties, and we'll see how I do with that.
How is that sitting with you, Megan? Just like what's kind of going on in your head as a result of that?
Notice what I'm doing here. I'm trying to fill out my first part, my clarity worksheet, so I want to understand what are some of the interpretations Megan's holding here. In your Mediator's Toolkit, I put a little worksheet together for you to brainstorm, but you can really use any kind of solution building or brainstorming tool you want. It takes practice, it takes some skill building. Nobody's ever going to be perfect. I'm certainly not perfect, but the more you can practice this, the more you can get comfortable with it, the more confidence you feel and competence you feel, the better off you're going to be as a leader mediator.